On today's episode of Being the House Husband, I'm gonna clean all this up because it's getting hard to get access to the coffee maker and I need coffee. We're gonna make coffee, but then we're gonna clean up the coffee area. And of course the kitchen is gathering up dishes again after our little weekend, so get that all cleaned up. Still don't know what to do with this pile of paper, but get that cleaned up too as well. What you doing? What you doing? I just found googly eyes on while I was cleaning up, and I know exactly where I'm gonna put them. Yep. There we go. Now the coffee's tired to see me too. You want to see this? This is an actual working Geiger counter. And I know it works because this is a radium clock. And it's actually emitting radiation right now. If I actually put it on the clock right, like when it's laying face down, like this, it really starts to scream. Hit 200. Nah, it's gelling at around 197. But yeah, actual working Geiger counter. An actually radioactive clock. The more you know. Do you know that in the 1920s, it was actually a health fad or health craze, excuse me, health craze to drink radioactive water. You can actually find jugs that used to contain radiation, like radiation capsules, or rocks that were radioactive, like uranium and all that. Fun fact, we didn't know a lot about radiation until radiation. Yeah. Right then, just give this a good old wipe down, and this area is done for now. Okay, now to clean this mess. I actually need to... No, I have finished printing this. I just need to get my button gear and put it together. Maybe we'll do that in the video as well. We'll do a video of like working on cosplay stuff sooner or later, but my main goal for this week is to get the apartment kind of ship shape again. I've been lacking getting my health all figured out. Now that that's kind of figured out, we can get everything put back together. Oh, there is sugar in there. Okay, cool. I'm gonna put that next to the mushroom creamer. Maybe we'll use this up with second coffee. Had coffee, yes, but what about second coffee? PTSD, anyone? Okay. Da-da-da. More Q-tips. Everywhere I look, Q-tips. I apologize. This probably isn't as entertaining as the last video, but hopefully it is of some importance. I just have to remember the segments that I talk in, because someone left a nice comment saying they actually like hearing commentary while this is being done, so thank you for that. I will definitely add it into the video. Don't have much to say, but hey, if you want to hear me ramble, I shall ramble. Put the cat treats in here, I think, just to save some space. That's a cow. Okay. Mother-in-law's prank's still coming to bite me. There we go. Treats all put away. Treats, man. Treats. The old boy's just watching me. Hopes and dreams jaw. Not very full, but hey, we might fix that one day. Actually, there's 10 cents sitting over here. I'm going to put that in the jar. ASMR. Nice. This to the floor because I'll sweep it afterwards. There we go. Now we can put things back together. Brown sugar for oatmeal. Coffee. Coffee spoon. I should actually get a container for a coffee spoon. Maybe 3D print something just to hang it on the wall. That'd be useful. Time lapse. This sugar we're just gonna put away in the cupboard because that's just powdered sugar. regular sugar. And we'll put the instant coffee there when the container is washed and store it transferable. Forgot the sugar spoon. There we go. Getting nicer, getting cleaner. Very much nicer. The dishwasher has currently made coffee. That is coffee water. From, you can't really see it, but the coffee container. That's all coffee. No. Hopefully it all comes out clean. Can't be a house husband if you don't throw in a little bit of cosplay 3D printing in. Anyone that's curious, I'm currently printing Bad News from Vox Machina. So I've got 95% of it. Just have to print the other 5%. And if you're wondering what that is a soon-to-be Mecha Chameleon prop for a Mecha Chameleon cosplay. That's coming along as well. We might work on those on this video. Eh? Might work on them. Oh, look at you. You're such a good puppy. You're such a good puppy. Ah, the aggression. Ah, the aggression. That's my finger, you. Don't bite my finger. She's still in the snappy face. Oh yeah, might work on those a little bit. When I start working on the closet, I might try and find the bits for the Stormtrooper blaster rifle that I've got on the wall. But yeah, getting the apartment sort of looking clean and nice. It's just the rest of this that I've got to finagle with. So maybe we'll try and do some of that with a video playing in the background. I'm watching Emily the Engineer. She is inspiration for cosplay. So thank you so much for watching. We're gonna tackle the rest of the apartment in another video. I'm gonna split these up into like bi-daily videos, so Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I think. And then I'll work on other videos in the background. But gotta take care of the puppers. Okay. Myra, gotta take care of you. Should probably take you for a walk. Take you for a walk? You wanna go for a walk? I think so. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on Wednesday. Till then, ow. I'm taking you for a walk. Till then, stay random, everyone. I'll see you on Wednesday.